baqale ngokubeka izimbali elibeni lowabe engumengameli we-SACP uChris Hani. uHani wasocongwa ngalolu suku eminyakeni engamashumi nanye eyedlule. Umfelokazi kaHani uLimpho uthi uHulumeni wakuleli umenzele phansi umyeni wakhe. Uthi abantu abaningi abadela impilo yabo belwela inkululeko babengazi ukuthi kuyoba njena.
This government has failed him and all of us. Countless of our people have died for our so-called freedom. I can tell you this is not what they had in mind as they laid down their lives.
Kodwa ke unobhala jikelele we-SACP uthi uChris Hani ngabe uzishaya isifuba ngezinto esezenziwe uHulumeni.
So as government, we want to say today, but Chris, as some of us used to call him, would have been very proud of these achievements. Of course, we are under no illusion that we still have a lot to do to take forward.
I-SACP ikholwa ukuthi uYanus Walush owayeboshelwe ukubulala uHani wayengayedwa kulokhu. Ithi-ke bazoqhubeka nokufuna izimpendulo zokuthi ngubani ngampela owathi akubulawe uHani.
We all experienced the pain of his brutal murder, which was a big plan, not a plan by individuals, a big plan from somewhere. And Ulimpho, you are right. We want answers. And we'll continue demanding answers. Who was involved?
uYanus Walush udedelwe ngoshwele eminyakeni emibili eyedlule emva kokuchitha iminyaka engaphezu kwamashumi amathathu ngecala lokubulala uHani.